Dr. K. Chiranjeevi Garu, he is not here today. He is in Bangalore. I tried to call him, and unfortunately he could not come. Now, to Dr. Sri Ramchandra Reddy Garu, please come on to the dais, sir.
Sir. Just to kill. He was diagnosed.
Thank you very much for inviting me in particular and also all the teachers who have taught you. It's indeed very nice of you that you remember the teachers even after 25 years. It goes to say, without saying much, that we have contributed something. Not only, I don't claim that we have contributed much, because honestly speaking, that all of you have made your own efforts, and God has been willing and kind, and that you have come to this stage.
Sir, one thing, the oral medicine is the base of the cake.
Okay.
Sorry.
Quarters in oral medicine. I have to follow every day in my practice, especially.
Sorry for interruption. Sorry for interruption.
I would like to add one thing. When Dr. Ramchandra Reddy sir used to take classes, he used to take a particular chapter, White Legions. That used to be one of his favorite chapters. And believe me, even today, whenever I listen to it from his mouth, it is like music to my ears. Thank you. You've been an excellent teacher to us and very good academician. I really appreciate it, and thanks a lot for all whatever help you have done.
What about James Bond?
He's the Roger Moore of Hollywood.
Enough of that. Let me finish it, and after you can finish it. Enough of that. Then it becomes a joke. So,
गाड़ी का नंबर बोलो उल्टे में बोलो गाड़ी का नंबर 700 था
you remember that?
007.
That's good.
No, if you read it in Urdu, it's 007.
Well, anyway, all that I heard so far, there's nothing amiss about it, something good, and I thank you very much for remembering me.
Hats off to you.
Sir, I want to add one thing on
You can. Otherwise it will go on endless. That's why. Let me finish it and then you can say whatever. So what I have gone out of this college, I must, in all honesty, I must admit that they had very little technical equipment with them, because as we go out and see, and you yourself have been the witness, and some of you are practicing in the most advanced, with advanced technology, even with all that, let us say, not so advanced technology, the equipment, etc., still we could make you up to this stage, and you are climbing, and each one of you are a leader in your own way and profession. It goes to say, it's not all that equipment that's important, it is not that great mansions that are important, it is the people behind who teach you, the faculty. Whether I'm proud to be one of that, happens to be, but there are a lot of other people who are here assembled, half of them are teachers. The lifeline of the institution. It so happens that we all contributed something or other for all of you, and wherever I go, whether it is in this country, any city, Chandigarh, Delhi, Bombay, or abroad, USA, in other cities, I happen to meet students, and each one of them, believe me, they are doing extremely well, and I am proud of them to say when they introduce me that he happens to be our teacher. Honestly, I do not know. The teacher, you still remember and you still refer us to as teacher, that's nice of you. And keep it that way, because one day the time will come, some of you might be called as teachers, and you will enjoy that privilege also. And I would like to ask one of you, all of you, each one of you have made great contributions in your own profession, and you are somebody in your own line. I would like to hear each one of you, because there are not many, there is not much time will elapse. Maybe you'll take 5 minutes to say how much you have accomplished, what you have accomplished, because we would like to hear. You heard us enough and more in all these years, and you are hearing it again, but we would like to know how much you have progressed. That gives us, as he said, music to the ear, as somebody said. Because we would like to definitely know how much, each one of you have done in your own. Dr. Seshadri has referred to Mirza. I'm sure Mirza, I have met him and I know what he has been doing, and he is doing extremely well, not only in the profession but in so many other ways as well. But likewise, I'm sure there are others also. There are others who are sitting here. They are also with students to us, but now they are principals. Some of them have retired, and I can't believe it. I have become a teacher, but the principals were already retired. But each one of them have done exceedingly well in their own line, and we would like to know something about it. And do take some time, please, each one of you tell us. And indeed, I'm thankful to you, Dr. Ralinder, when he telephoned to me 10 days back from Begum Bazaar or something like that. No, I'm speaking from the USA. He said, it's so nice of him to inform me so early. I would have forgotten, but for good friend who reminded me that today happens to be the meeting. Thank you.